Okay, let's review this resume together because there are three specific things that I would definitely change. While Jane Doe has some good information all around, first off, under education, you don't need your specific years that you graduated, especially with your bachelor's. And I mean, girl, you got your master's back in 2017. That's outdated. You don't need to put that information on there because it is aging you and they may discriminate. Next, we've got work experience. Jane Doe, you need more work experience. At least give me some good meat. This should be the majority of your resume right here because I want to know what you did, how you did it, and what impact you made. Also, interesting that she's got her technical skills and soft skills. I mean, it's not horrible, but your soft skills are very generic. Let's change that up. Get some real meaty things in there that are aligned to the jobs that you're applying for. And lastly, personal achievements. I don't really need to know that you finished the marathon or that you read a lot of books. While that is great and can be a conversation starter, maybe in the interview, don't really need to know that information. You could put it on your LinkedIn. Much better place for it.